What if the next economic superpower isn't the United States or China, but India? The global economy is shifting fast, and India is racing toward a historic $5 trillion milestone. India is now one of the fastest-growing major economies on Earth. Its rise is powered by manufacturing, technology, and a digital revolution transforming millions of lives. But this isn't just about money. As supply chains move away from traditional hubs, India is becoming a key player in global trade and innovation. What if the Indian rupee becomes more powerful globally? As nations search for alternatives in an uncertain financial world, India's influence could grow far beyond its borders, from artificial intelligence to space exploration. India is investing heavily in the technologies that may define the next generation. A $5 trillion economy is more than a number. It's a global power shift. Could India become the next economic superpower?